Welcome to Malaysia! So, kakatapos nga lang namin magkaroon ng complimentary massage, neck and neck massage. And we also have cold ginger tea while waiting for our check-in. Cheers! Yeah. Welcome to Ambong Ambong Rainforest Retreat House. So, as you can see, andun yung mga monkeys. And tara, pasok tayo sa aming room. Let's do it. So, here is where we stay. Naririnig nyo ba yun, guys? Rainforest na rainforest. So, from here, puro puno. And we're here, staying at Chapur 3. So, welcome to the place. Nice, diba? There you go. That's the bed. And then that's the view of the ocean. Let's go and check it out. Wow. So meron na rin ditong ref, sink, microwave. Yan. Let's check out the banyo. Oh, nice. Pretty spacious. Me. Medyo umaambon, guys, but now we are at the cliff. Sabi nung ni Kuya Driver, this is one of the nice spots here to like chill, relax for 1 or 2 hours. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo ako, but let's go. So, late nga kaming nagising, pero yung breakfast is until 11 a.m. So, magiging brunch na siya. So, let's go! having nasi goreng. And of course, dragon fruit tsaka guyabano smoothie. And it's so relaxing here.
May dalawang uri nga na unggoy na makikita rito. Unang-una, ang macaques at ang pangalawa naman ay ang dusky leaf monkeys. At alam nyo ba, ang Ambong Ambong is home to 30 species of birds around the resort. Wow, diba? At hindi lang yan, marami pang uri ng hayop ang pwede nyo makita rito. Kaya naman perfect na perfect ang lugar na ito to reconnect with nature and relax in nature's grace.